How to manage orders in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access the orders page into your Hostinger store and also how you can manage the orders. You're going to head over hostinger.com and sign in for an account and you're going to see the H panel or the dashboard. So this is the H panel. Now what we're going to do is to click on the left side of the screen and select website. Then we are going to click on websites list. Now, once you have clicked on here, you're going to see all the websites that you own. So basically, make sure that you have at least a store on your website. How we can make that possible, you're going to select the website and add a store on it. So when you have added a store, you're going to see the manage store button and the cart button in here. Click on the manage store and you're going to see the e-commerce option. Now, what we're going to do is basically to head over the products and make sure that we have everything in order. So for the orders to work, as you can see, you need to set up or check a connected payments. So we are going to head over the payments by heading over here and do not forget to buy the business plan, as you can see. So it is going to be a must, so you can go ahead and accept payments. Once you have bought the specific, as you can see, plan and also upgraded and connected a payment method, you're going to head over the orders and normally you're going to see the list of the orders that you have. I'm going to show you here a screenshot of the orders that is going to be an example. So you can go ahead and filter the orders by clicking on here. So basically we have two types of filters, I think. So this is the fulfillment filter and also the payment filter. So you can go ahead and see that we have the canceled, partially fulfilled, unfulfilled, and fulfilled. Also, you can go ahead and see the paid and also the other specific filters. Now, for the orders, or you can go ahead and see the fulfillment order and also the payments and the total of each order. You can see here the emails that you are going to send the invoice and also the duration or the time that the order has been put and also the order number. So if I enter one of the orders, as you can see, I can see the customer resume for the address, and also the shipping method and the name of it, also the email, and then the payment info. Like here, you can see here the subtotal and also the payment method. So you can go ahead and view the invoice that it is going to be sent when you're going to mark as paid. And also you can mark it as fulfilled when you're going to see that everything is in order and the address is going to be set okay. So you can go ahead also and mark the item as fulfilled by setting up the tracking number or adding a tracking number to it and also putting a tracking page URL if you want. And that is going to help customers to track all of the elements that they have been, let's say, ordering from your website. When you set everything and mark as fulfilled, the specific email is going to be sending a shipping confirmation, as you can see here, email to the customer address, and then they are going to give them the tracking number and the tracking page URL so they can track or visualize the product where it is. So when you finish everything, you're going to have here the fulfillment setup. And with that, you have here the control or the manage of the orders in your specific website. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.